And we're going to do another video on how to create the images that are below this hero shot that are square and attractive. And you'll notice that if you don't put a picture up, what you're going to have is no image at all. And that really doesn't play well with the other products, so you may not compete as well and sell your produce. So it's a very simple thing to do. All you have to do is log into your account and go down to where your products are, down here. We're going to push edit, and we're going to bring up a profile of the product that we're selling. And again, I just want to mention that it's really important to fill out all this information here. The more information you give the buyer, the better chance you have to sell your products. The other very important thing is to establish delivery. That's going to be a key concern of anybody you sell your produce to. So you should give them the information of what it's going to cost, or if you built that cost into your case price, then you should also tell them the maximum range you're willing to travel to make that delivery, and the minimum number of boxes that you're willing to, or cases you're willing to ship. So once you've done that, you've built this nice graph, it's up on your website. The last thing you're going to do is post an image. So it's very simple. We want all the images to be square, so they need to be 500 pixels by 500 pixels. And that unit of measurement is easy to define in images, so not to worry about that. And less than 2 megs. And what that means is that the image has been optimized for the web. Now I use a free editor, image editor, which I'm going to give you the URL for, called pictures.mp4. And if you go here, I'm going to leave this up for a second, and then I'll put it up again at the end. You can fix your images very easily. So here we are on the website. You're going to first go find your image. So you're going to go browse. So you click this button right here. And the image we're going to do is some cantaloupe that I found. So we're going to open that up. And already you can kind of tell that this image is the wrong size. It's not square. So the only one of these effects that you really need to look at here is the adjustment. So you click on that. And the first thing I do is check the actual size of it. So you can see that the image is 1200 by 956, which is just too big. So what we want to do is resize this so that we've got at least 500 in both these boxes. And if I change this number here and I made this 600, you can see that now it's too small. So 700 seems to be a nice number. So we'll go 700. And we'll apply that. So now that's made this image a little smaller. And now we're going to go crop, which is this box right here. And we want the image to be exactly 500 by 500. So we're going to apply that. Oh, you can just do that, or you can move this around. You can have it like this if you'd like. You can move this square anywhere you want. I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to apply it. And now we have our image. So we're just going to go up here, and we're going to hit save. And I'm calling this AB2 Cantaloupe 3, just because we don't want to copy over the old one. And you can see I can make this almost any quality I want. I mean, even if I went up to the very top, it's still only 169 KB, which is well under a meg. So I'm going to leave it at a little bit below that. I think the image quality will be fine for how we're using it. So we hit save, and it's going to say, oh, going back to my desktop, and that's the name of the image. I'm going to hit save. So now I've created my image, and I can go back here and I go browsing. There's the image that we just created. We open it up, we say open, and we hit upload. It takes a second for it to upload, and when it does, it takes you back to the top of the website. You go down, and here we are. We've got it loaded in. Now if you don't like that, you can delete it. You can add more images down here. A couple things I want to just mention to you. You'll lose all your data unless you hit submit, so don't forget to do that. And the more enticing you can make your produce look, the better chance you have to sell it. So spend a little time making that image look great. Thank you very much.